Dear Divine Spirit within, O great Spirit of my heart, show me now how to release all of the pain and doubts that I have carried throughout my life, so that I can now reclaim my sisterhood within the light, my I am presence, and the glory of God. And today I now choose, with your loving support, to be free of all of the old that has put a burden upon my heart. I'm now choosing to let go of all that has binded me to pain and suffering, disillusionment and doubt. As I now choose to reclaim divinity within, my creativity, my inner knowingness of who and what I am and how I serve in the world. And I now choose to be in the upper room where each and every day I can reclaim my life from that place within where I am beholding of creating all things anew. And today, O Divine Spirit within, I now am open to receiving each and every day your healing blessings, your divine grace, and your infinite love. And as I take a deep breath, I acknowledge that it is done, it is done, it is done. And as I take another deep breath and exhale, I let go of all doubts about my future. And so it is. In divine order, divine grace, and divine right timing, it is done.